Hey guys, how you doing? Good afternoon. This is your man Oddmanoutmusic, bringing to you guys another music tutorial. I hope you guys been checking out my channel. I hope you guys also visit my website, oddmanoutmusic.com, picked up some of them drum kits and all of that good stuff. We're going to get into this video. I'll be showing you some of the plugins that I've used for 2018 that I thought was just great plugins for mixing and mastering and even just beat making. I hope you guys can get something out of this, and if you'll do me a favor, subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. I'll be looking for that. Also, too, stay tuned because I give away free plugins, free drum kits, and all of that stuff. But you gotta subscribe. All right? Peace.
All right. Welcome back, guys. This is your man Oddmanoutmusic. I'm here today to talk about a couple of the plugins that I used quite often in the year 2018 in regards to, sound design, a lot of sound design, beat making, a lot of beat making, and mixing and mastering. So let's get into it. The first one, of course, being the Abbey Road's vinyl plugin. And I can explain a little bit for you guys what this plugin actually is and what's its purpose, so that you guys can have an idea of what you're working with when you go out and you purchase this particular plugin. If we go all the way over to the left of here, you see this TG desk, and people are like, what the heck is that? So you turn it on. It's not doing anything, but it is. What this is this is giving kind of some harmonics. It's adding some harmonics to your actual track. And this TG desk was really modeled after one of Abbey Road's famous mixing and basically mastering consoles, really. And I want to say it was the 12410, the TG 12410. And this was back in the days. I had to do a little history on the desk itself, but it was an excellent desk for what it was used for. And if anybody DJs, you kind of know what the lacquer is, what we would actually use as dub plates back then and even now. All right. Print, of course, is the final product. After you got you checked out the dub plate and it sounds great. All right, well, give me 100 runs of it. So they would print it out. AR is for Abbey Roads, their particular turntable that they use to listen to things after they pressed it up or what have you. And a DJ, that would be me or you or anybody else that DJs or listen to records. And the M&M is the moving magnet out inside of the turntable itself, and of course the moving coil, and of course DJ. All right, that's that needle. Okay, these are needles that we're dealing with. Needles. This would be an old school type of head that went on the Technique 1200s, and then we gradually moved into this after we got real crazy with the scratching and all of that. All right, so that's a little bit about that particular plugin for you guys that wanted to know. So let's see what it sounds like, right? All right, let's turn it on. You can hear it in the background a little bit, okay? I'm gonna turn it up so you guys can really hear what's happening. All that crackling and all of that good noise, that's what the vinyl is doing, okay? I'm gonna turn it up a little bit. Hear that? It's great. Slowdown method was really for when you hit the stop button on your turntable, which would be right here on the Technique 1200, start and stop button. Yeah, I was slowing that down. All right. Auto resume, of course, we'll resume it. All right. Cool plugin. All right. I love it. I've used it on a few things. I've used it a lot in sound design to kind of give me some of those things that I was looking for. Okay. Next piece up Plugin Alliance, Dangerous BAX EQ. And this EQ really is, if anybody know about Dangerous Mouse and the things that they make, this looks just like the EQ that they make. Cut your shelf for your highs and your shelf for your low, cutting out some of those frequencies. Excellent EQ. UAD makes it, and Plugin Alliance has it as well. Go on the website, check it out. Like I said, the link is in the description. I'll just because, kind of give you an idea of what it sounds like, right? Yeah, beautiful EQ. Make no mistake, mid-side, stereo, the link. Make no mistake about it, beautiful EQ. All right. Next up, SoundSpot makes excellent products. Great plug-in to have. Let's check it out and see what it sounds like, guys. All right. So I just gives it just that if you dial it in right, it's going to give you what you need. All right. You can change the order of that too. If you wanted the compressor to come first and then the EQ, you can do that. If you want the EQ to come first and then compressor, you can do that as well. All in what you want. Stereo, mono, left, right, however you want to do it, you can do that. Okay? Excellent piece. All right? So we get into that. Definitely go and check out SoundSpot. All right? Please check them out. Go to my website, Oddmanoutmusic.com. You're going to see a link for Plugin Boutique. Click on that link for a discount. Okay? Check it out. Another piece that they actually have too is the Oracle. And Oracle is really, it's one of those plugins that once you get it, play with it, mess with it, you love it. You love it. Trust me, you'll love it. This plugin has dynamics on it, effects, filter cuts for your EQs, right? Your imaging, spread your stereo file out, whatever. You can even do middle, side, mid-side processing, right? And reverb. Interesting, right? Let's check this out, man. And I like to really just blow some stuff up, right? So let's just do something crazy. I'll just put this on this, all right? And let's turn it up. Already you hear what it's doing, okay? Already. Look at that, saturation in there. Okay? Let's say if you want to run that quick. I promise you guys, if you're into sound design, you're into doing something trippy in your mixes on different instruments, Oracle is the plugin for you. Trust me, I'm not endorsed by SoundSpot by any means, but I like to give you guys the real on plugins and those that may be trying to just take your money. SoundSpot is not. Go on the website, oddmanoutmusic.com. Click on the link, you get a discount on that, all right? Here's one of my favorite plugins, though, of 2018, kind of hands down. And this is the Brainworx Master Desk, all right? Plugin Alliance offered it for the Brainworx. UAD offers it as well. Same price when I purchased it. It was $2.99 on UAD site, $2.99 on Plugin Alliance site. I went with the Plugin Alliance because there were some other things that I wanted to check out as well. And I bundled it up with a couple of other plugins that UAD does not offer. But the quality of this one and the quality of UAD Master Desk, I didn't see any difference. They're similar, they do the same thing. The only difference was, I think UAD, the color finish was a little bit darker. Ain't that something? But plugin is dope. Foundation gives a little weight to your track. All right, so let's turn it on. I'm gonna turn it up so you guys see what it does. Look at that. Gives a little weight to the track. All this stuff is self-explanatory. I don't have to go into it and explain it. You guys are smart. You guys already know what it is, right? The compressor and the limiter, you can engage both. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 meaning the highest, 4 the more subtle side of it, all right? Compressor, mix it in. De-esser, mix it in, all right? Volume and output trim. Mid-side processing. Stereo information will be the things that you kind of pan out. You can open that up if you like. Mono, middle part of your mixes, right? Kicks, bass, all of that. Gives you an option to narrow those or widen those, however you want. And of course, dealing with your harmonics right here, your tone. Bass, mid, treble, presence, all right? Check it out, guys. Check these things out. Abbey Road's vinyl, Plugin Alliance, Dangerous BAX EQ, Mastering EQ, Sound Spot, Paradox and Oracle plugin. All right. And did I say the Abbey Road vinyl plugin, Waves? Check it out. Plugin Alliance Master Desk, all right? Dope plugins. You guys give me a thumbs up, all right? Like what I'm doing. Give me some suggestions of what you guys may like. Of course, I'm definitely a propeller head supporter. Will be, have been, and will stay that, all right? Peace out. Check out the website, Oddmanoutmusic. Go to Plugin and Boutique. Get you some plugins. Get a discount on them. I'm out. Peace.